How many watermelons will it take to protect you and your friend from an arrow? I guess this is what we're doing today. This one's you, this is the friend you're tagging in this video. 0 watermelons with the compound.
Okay, here we go. Holy moly guacamole. Oh!
Mole guacamole.
1 watermelon. Oh, your friend is toast. Honestly, better than I expected. 2 watermelons. So we have officially discounted that a recurve bow can get past 2 watermelons.
It's beast time.
Oh! Hey, just your friend got messed up. You are officially safe with 2 watermelons if there's someone between you. Now this is the value of having a friend. It's my birthday today, so I was either gonna buy a cake or 70 pounds of fruit. 3 watermelons. What do we got? What do we got? Woo! There you have it. You've been saved after 3 watermelons. You and your friend can go home safely. Well, mostly. Watermelon can help cure UTIs, and if you apply it topically, it can help itching. On top of that, it's a great hydrator, which makes it a fantastic camping food. I brought 5. I didn't really know. There's no science to this. What do I do with the other 2? Thanks for watching.